Should I tell you that I was videotaping that whole time that you said
I
that?
would probably have to throw your phone.
Just you don't have to.
You
Just
do it,
wait
you
a
just
little
have to
bit.
wait for 'em to
Yeah,
do
wait a little bit. It'll do it itself.
Okay. Yeah. I think I probably deserve that. There you go. Nice.
Stand over the top. Put the board between your legs. Bend down. It needs to go to your like that.
This is a lot easier on the other one for some reason. I think it's okay.
I don't know. You do have Nick's favorite hammer.
Anyone need more nails? Oh, we had the last two in there.
Last two.
I won't lose them.
Okay, hey, let's do one thing. When they get those in, I'm going to put this upside down. Put the short side over that side and reach it. Okay? Before I get to that. Yep. So I measured correctly. The short pieces should end up right over our horizontals up there.
Yeah.
He was doing a video of yours.
You know it. Start head or words, but you check yourself. You get all that.
No, I didn't. I actually started it like 3 seconds after Nick said something about redheads. I was like, oh man, I should have had that.
Are you documenting?
Yeah, use the biggest.
That one's good.
Alright, we done with the salt?
Oh well.
Hey, Phil.
Yeah.
Give me a nail.
ruined now.
Yeah.
Phil, Phil, did you break it off?
I did it.
I think Phil did. We'll blame Phil.
I blame Phil for it.
Yep. Phil's used to taking the blame.
I'm used to taking them out.
Yeah, Phil's used to taking the blame.
Everybody has to have somebody to blame.
I will come early in the morning and I will paint this.
I'm surprised
I
Phil
will sand it.
isn't committing a 3 anymore.
Next. Okay, let's turn this one over